Makhulu kungomvulo namhlanje izinto zininzi andimkezela nakulo mntana ne
Tyhini makoti mama lapha makoti umuntu xa iza kuvuka uvuka kwasekuseni alungise zonke izinto ngawujonga jonga imigqoko ivuleke ithesa jonga izitya zibhubuzela zimpukane ikwelethi ke umntana le hayi ithi undincede ina makho bala mawethu mandayiswa ikwelethi ke mntana ifaka emnyeni wakho ungayibilisanga
ndibilisa uyigqibela nini ngoku mna loo nto into ebilisa oko makhulu ithi
hayi nomfazane ithi mameli ithi ukabilisa izinto ezomntana uyathetha nezi zinto ingathi ahambisa njena.
The problem in Khayelitsha that has been identified is that a lot of young babies, like babies up to 5 years old, die because of diarrheal diseases.
There's a lot of infant mortality, and this is because of unclean, unsanitized, unhygienic environments.
We've got a lot of our children becoming sick, diarrhea, gastro infections and all those things.
And they don't even know how to prevent it or what to do if the child has got diarrhea.
The main concerns around health are around children, and especially infant mortality. It comes because of bad hygiene, bad sanitation, that germs are spread. And this can be very easily prevented if environments are kept clean. So this is the main health concern within the communities.
Toilets are a big issue. The norm, as it stands in Khayelitsha at the moment, is 5 households to 1 toilet, which, as you can imagine, creates huge problems for the people who live there, but also for the city who are having to maintain that infrastructure. So generally, the toilets are not in a good state, probably because there are so many people using the toilets every day, and the service that is offered by the city is probably not adequate for the number of people that are using the toilets.
Some are blocked, some are leaking, and some are not even working at all.
This is a Tiger Brands Jeyes cleanup campaign, which is aimed at cleaning public facilities within Khayelitsha and Gugulethu. The aim of the campaign is to educate our people about the importance of hygiene. At the same time, clean up and sustain healthy environments for our people. We are concentrated in Khayelitsha as a start, and we're looking to extend it to Gugulethu.
This campaign essentially is an initiative by Jeyes with the support of the CSI division of Tiger Brands to make a substantial and sustainable contribution to the communities of Khayelitsha.
Khayelitsha alone has an estimated population of about 1.5 million people. One toilet is shared by 20 to 30 people. That alone shows that it's a very underdeveloped township and there's poor sanitized environments.
The campaign started on the 2nd of May. It's been very successful so far. We actually had a media event where we invited community media, local media, environmental magazines, as well as governments, local councillors, ward councillors, to actually come so that we could explain what the project was about, so that everybody could meet each other. We're all partners in this.
We are partnering with our NGO, which we've identified in Cape Town, the Media Training Center for Health.
We have been subcontracted by ProVantage to work alongside of them in Khayelitsha. So the education campaign complements the cleanup campaign, which is being done by ProVantage, where they clean toilets that have been identified in 2 key areas in Khayelitsha. Those are Endlovini and Nkanini.
My role in this campaign as a team leader is to go door to door in Nkanini, Khayelitsha, to deal with the bathrooms of the community. We ask them to open the bathroom for us, and then as soon as they do that, we start cleaning them.
And after the toilets have been cleaned, there's a Jeyes sticker that is also put on the toilet. This has been cleaned by Jeyes.
So we are cleaning the toilets, literally, at the same time educating the people about the importance of keeping their environment sanitized and clean.
Since part of the thing that the Jeyes will be doing is to educate and empowering people, some of my promoters will be part of that education.
They go to the doors and educate people about the hygiene and the health issues. So when we follow and do the cleaning part, the actual cleaning, at least there's a foundation. So by the time we get there, at least they know what we're about.
In addition to that, we are leaving behind fridge magnets, we are leaving behind educational material.
We use a drama group from the area, Khayelitsha, and they educate people about diarrhea.
Bazali, masibathande sibahloniphe abantwana bethu ukuze babe nekamva eliqaqambileyo.
Ningalibali ukugcina izinto zenu zicocekile ngamaxesha onke.
We'd like to think that the impact is a joint effort between this project, which is being implemented and sponsored by Tiger Brands and Jeyes, and also the efforts of other stakeholder partners in Khayelitsha.
This is an effort to sustain the very good work that the government and other NGOs have been doing in the communities, and it's a way of also educating the communities on how to keep the environments clean. What this campaign is doing is showing people how simple it is to actually keep areas clean so that kids can play freely. Parents don't have to worry about children catching diseases.
When the community members have seen something has worked for them, you understand, and they've seen it happening, they easily adopt that and continue with it.
Jeyes Flood campaign is doing a good job for our health in the community, for cleaning our toilets and the base for the dirtiness.
The way that this campaign differs from others is members of the community are actually part of the project. We've given them jobs simply because it's an initiative that needs to be sustained.
So already work has begun and our people are so excited about this very product.
And it's great to see when we go in there, the welcoming attitude that we're getting from people.
What Jeyes as a product is doing is giving the stuff to the people and saying, this is what you need in order to keep your environment clean.
A clean environment equals a healthy environment.
I can tell you right now, if Jeyes isn't going to clean it, nothing will. Okay.